Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a very simple trick that can make your desktop look a little cleaner while still keeping Telegram running smoothly in the background. If you've noticed that Telegram always places an icon on your taskbar when the app is open, and you prefer to hide it, the new update has made this super easy to customize. Let's go step by step. First, open your Telegram app on your computer, just like you normally would. Once it's up, look towards the top left corner of the window. You'll see the familiar three lines, often called the menu button. Click on that, and a side menu will open. Next, head down and choose the option labeled Settings. This will open up all your preferences and controls for Telegram. Inside the Settings section, look for Advanced. This is where Telegram has tucked away most of the deeper functions. After clicking Advanced, scroll a little until you find the category called System Integration. This section is where Telegram connects with your operating system. Here's what you want to focus on: the option labeled Show Taskbar Icon. By default, it's checked on, which is why you always see the Telegram icon sticking to your taskbar. To hide it, simply uncheck that box. The moment you do, Telegram will stop showing up on the taskbar. Don't worry, the app is still running and accessible. You'll still find it in your system tray near the clock on your desktop. That way, it won't clutter up your taskbar anymore, but you can still open it quickly whenever you want. And that's it. Just 4 simple steps. Open Telegram. Tap the 3 lines. Head into Settings. Navigate to Advanced. Then under System Integration, uncheck Show Taskbar Icon. From now on, you'll enjoy a cleaner taskbar and an easier way to keep your desktop organized. If you found this helpful, make sure to try it out and notice how much tidier your workspace feels. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference when managing multiple apps on your computer. Thanks for watching.